Today, we will walk through the step-by-step employer registration process in order to create an FMCSA CDL Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse account. This clearinghouse database account is where employers will search or authorize pre-employment or annual driver drug and alcohol testing results for DQ file and hiring process requirements. Let's get started. On the FMCSA Clearinghouse website, clearinghouse.fmcsa.dot.gov, click Register to get started. Then click Go to Login.gov, which will take you to the Login.gov website, and select Create an Account underneath the sign-in information. Here you'll simply enter in your email address and click Submit, which will send you an email, and you will select the Confirm Email Address button in the email you just received. This email link will confirm the email address and take you to a page where you will be asked to create a strong password that is at least 12 characters long. Next, you will have to select authentication methods for secure login. First, you should select the phone option and enter your cell phone number. You will receive a text message with a one-time security code that you will enter on the website. The second method has many different options, and you can use an app like Google Authenticator, where after setting up the clearinghouse connection in the app, will randomly create a security code to enter on the website. Alternatively, selecting backup codes will give you 10 backup codes that you will need to save in a document and check off after 10 future logins to the clearinghouse website. If using this method, after 10 logins, a new batch of backup codes will need to be created and saved. Finally, clicking Continue will verify that you created the Login.gov account and will send you back to the clearinghouse website and finish the registration process. The next page, all employers and owner-operators need to select the employer option and click Next. Now we get to linking the FMCSA portal account section. During the launch of the clearinghouse, this is one of the areas that had many issues, and sometimes there's still some issues, and you can go around all of them by following these steps. For the question, do you have a portal account? Select No. Are you the admin? Select Yes. Do you have a DOT number? Select No. And then select the option to continue and to obtain a DOT number later. Now you can continue with the clearinghouse registration. Now we just need to add contact information. Type in your first name, last name, phone number, and select the phone number type. Then click Next, and you will add your company information. This is where you will be adding your company name, selecting what company type you are. If you're an owner-operator, select Yes. Then add more contact information. Phone number for the company email address is optional, and then add your address information, street, city, country, state, and zip code. When you're done, click Next. Here, you will need to designate your consortium TPA. This is required for owner-operators, and if you're an employer who will report violations, report return of duty information, and conduct clearinghouse queries yourself, you can skip this step. Everyone else, just type in your consortium's name and select the 3 boxes that give the TPA the option to do all 3 tasks on your behalf. If you are a CNS consortium customer, type Compliance Nav or Compliance Navigation Specialist, and it should find our company. Select it and click Next. Finally, you will read the terms and conditions and affirm all the information is correct. Select the button and click I agree. You have now completed your clearinghouse registration. For owner-operators, you need to add your CDL information. You can click the Enter My CDL Information link or edit your profile to add the required information and select Verify. You will now be able to purchase queries. For owner-operators, we recommend purchasing 5 queries for under $10, and that should be good for the next 5 years, where annually you will log in and run a required annual query for your DQ file purposes. Larger fleets will need to purchase a larger bundle, usually 2.5 times your driver fleet size, so you have plenty of queries required for the annual query on each driver, and any new hire queries. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of any future videos that'll be coming out. Also, CNS is here to help. Learn more about how we can help for any clearinghouse, consortium drug testing, driver safety, DQ file management, COVID-19 screening, or new company startup services, including licensing, authorities, insurance, ELDs, training, and more. You can go to www.cnsprotects.com.